Here's some Tudor-era changes trivia. Subscribe. Which queen restored Catholicism in England? Is it A. Elizabeth I, B. Victoria, C. Mary D. Anne Boleyn? The correct answer is C. Mary VIII. Who led the Pilgrimage of Grace? Is it A. Henry VIII, B. Robert Ashe, C. Thomas Cromwell, or D. Thomas More? The correct answer is B. Robert Ashe. Who was Elizabeth I's main rival? Is it A. James I, B. Anne Boleyn, C. Mary Stuart, or D. Mary Ferns? The correct answer is C. Mary Stuart. Which document did Henry VIII create to annul his marriage? Is it A. Marriage license, B. Act of supremacy, C. Royal proclamation, or D. Divorce decree? The correct answer is B. Act of supremacy. Which innovation in weaponry became popular during this era? Is it A. gunpowder, B. catapults, C. spears, or D. swords? The correct answer is A. gunpowder. What type of architecture flourished during the Tudor era? Is it A. Art Deco, B. Tudor style, C. Victorian style, or D. neoclassical? The correct answer is B. Tudor style. What was the primary currency in England? Is it A. franc, B. dollar, C. pound sterling, or D. euro? The correct answer is C. pound sterling. Which institution gained power due to the Reformation? Is it A. nobility, B. parliament, C. guilds, or D. church? The correct answer is B. parliament. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.